Hey guys, so I'm going to show you really quick how to do this map. So if you're struggling, you can go back to this video and it'll help you out. So I'm going to make mine on Microsoft Paint. The first thing I'm going to do is choose what do I want my features on my map to be. I think I want my map to be an island. So I'm going to draw a big green island shape. So beautiful. Now I'm going to create my legend. And with my legend or my key, they're called the same thing, I'm going to make a little box and I'm going to show what different symbols on my map will represent. So I'm going to click up here where it says rectangle and I'm going to draw a box. And because I'm just showing you guys, I'm not going to do that many symbols in here. So I'm going to say, okay, a star up in the corner, a star is going to mean a restaurant. My island's going to have a lot of restaurants. So I'm going to write right here, star restaurant. Wow, that's really big. Let's make that a little bit smaller. Now it's really small. That's okay, guys. That's why we play around with this, right? So we know a star is going to mean a restaurant. Did I spell restaurant right? I don't know, but that's okay. We'll erase this one. Beautiful. All right, so I know stars on my map are going to mean restaurants. Now let's think, what might a triangle mean? I'm going to say a green triangle. A green triangle is going to be mountains. I'm going to say green triangles are going to be mountains because I love going hiking. So again, I'm going to make a little text box down here. I'm going to say mountain. Beautiful. And I'm going to do one more thing on my map. What should I do? I think I'm going to do this. Look at all these shapes. Oh, this heart. This is going to be places where my family members live. Yep. So I'm going to do this heart and I'm going to say friend / family house because this is Miss Divine's awesome island and I can do whatever I want. So these are the 3 things that I'm going to show you guys on my island. So when I get ready to make my island, I'm going to say, okay, I want this area to be sort of a neighborhood for my friends and family. So I'm going to put a couple people over here in this little area. Now I'm going to say, I'll put my restaurants on this side of the island. They're right on the beach. That's nice, but I'm going to put one over here just in case we want to walk to it. All right, and now let me make a little mountain range somewhere on my island. So I'm going to go up and I'm going to make a little mountain range up here. So now, if you were just looking at this, you could see, okay, this is Miss Divine's island. It looks like over here is where a lot of her friends and family live. It looks like there's some restaurants on the coast. It looks like there's some mountains on the top. And now I could go in and I could maybe add some other things, right? I could add some roads that I label. I could say, okay, this is a little neighborhood, so we're gonna have a little road system that goes from here to the restaurant, here to the houses, here to the mountains, here to the restaurants. And maybe I'll label these roads. Maybe I'll say Restaurant Road. Wow, I'm so creative. But you can go in and you can label these different things, make sure that there are roads connecting them. After you're done, if you're making an island, you can fill in this part with blue, so that is the ocean. I want to show you guys two more things. So over here, you have a 4-point star if you're using Microsoft Paint. And that's pretty cool because that right here looks exactly like your compass. So then you can go in and you can say, okay, this is north, south, west, and east. And you already have your legend, your compass, and your island made. And there's only one more thing that I'm asking you for. And the last thing that I'm asking you for is scale. Because I want to know, how big is this island? From one point over here to one point over here, is it 100 miles? Is it 1 mile? Is it 1 bajillion miles? I don't know. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to make a little legend up here that you're going to show me maybe this distance is equal to 1 mile. Maybe you want to make your island a little bit bigger. So maybe you could say this distance is equal to 1 million miles. But this is where you tell me how big your island is. So obviously I just did this really fast. You can add way more detail than I did, and you should probably have a couple more things in your legend. But this is just a quick example of how to do this project. Thank you guys for watching.